YouTube, hey, what going on, man? It's your boy, the one and only Young KD. Today, I'm gonna teach you how I can lock in the perfect auto-tune settings. You ever made a song that you really like, but the auto-tune really ain't hitting how it's supposed to? Yeah, man, that's why I made this video, so you can see what you're doing wrong, or you can see what you need to do. I feel like the best way to explain the auto-tune is to show y'all visually. So right now, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna give y'all an example of how to use your auto-tune. On this, I'm gonna be using Young Thug's Wrld vocals, just to show you how it works, and how I locked in his perfect settings, and how this can apply to you too. The first thing you want to do, you want to make sure you're singing in key. Once you made sure that you're in key, you want to make sure that your auto-tune is in the right key. Because if your auto-tune is out of key, it can sound real crazy. Let me show y'all right now.
Okay, my money way longer than a NASCAR race. I told her keep going on the gas for the brakes. Only here for one night, let me put it on your face. Let a nigga know.
But the good thing about Bandlab, it automatically puts you in the correct key. It's about 90% accurate. But if your auto-tune is still sounding crazy, just take the beat that you downloaded. You can just go on a website called TuneBat. On TuneBat, it'll tell you the BPM of your track, and it'll tell you the key. Alright, bet. So right now, let's hop inside the session so y'all can see exactly how I find the perfect auto-tune settings. Okay, so what I do, I turn the auto-tune all the way to 100%, and then I just move it around until it sounds good. It's simple as that. Let me show y'all the process now.
Story did that. Pull up, I've been out of cab. She know she got a nigga bad. She know she gotta keep it bad. She know I gotta keep me some cash. She know she gotta hop on top of dick. She know she gotta ride a motherfucker. Her mama done walked in, but it's too big, she can't hide a motherfucker. In the story did that. Pull up, I've been out of cab. She know she got a nigga bad. She know she gotta keep it bad. She know I gotta keep me some cash. She know she gotta hop on top of dick. She know she gotta ride a motherfucker. Her mama done walked in, but it's too big, she can't hide a motherfucker. In the story did that. Pull up, I've been out of cab. She know she got a nigga bad. She know she gotta keep it bad. She know I gotta keep me some cash. She know she gotta hop on top of dick. She know she gotta ride a motherfucker. Her mama done walked in, but it's too. In the story did that. Pull up, I've been out of cab. She know she got a nigga bad. She know she gotta keep it bad. She know I gotta keep me some cash. She know she gotta hop on top of dick. She know she gotta ride a motherfucker. In the story did that. Pull up, I've been out of cab. She know she got a nigga bad. She know she gotta keep it bad. She know I gotta keep me some cash. She know she gotta hop on top of dick. She know she gotta ride a motherfucker. Her mama done walked in, but it's too big, she can't hide a motherfucker. In the story did that. Pull up, I've been out of cab. She know she got a nigga bad. She know she gotta keep it bad. She know I gotta keep me some cash. She know she gotta hop on top of dick. She know she gotta ride a motherfucker. Her mama done walked in, but it's too big, she can't hide a motherfucker. In the story did that. Pull up, I've been out of cab. She know she got a nigga bad. She know she gotta keep it bad. She know I gotta keep me some cash. She know she gotta hop on top of dick. She know she gotta ride a motherfucker. Her mama done walked in, but it's too big, she can't hide a motherfucker. In the story did that. Pull up, I've been out of cab. She know she got a nigga bad. She know she gotta keep it bad. She know I gotta keep me some cash. She know she gotta hop on top of dick. She know she gotta ride a motherfucker. Her mama done walked in, but it's too big, she can't hide a motherfucker.
As y'all could tell, on 100%, it sounded way too robotic. And around 75 and all of that, it didn't sound like enough auto-tune. It's like 85% was just a sweet spot for this song. And here go my little auto-tune cheat sheet for Bandlab. 100% will give you that auto-tuney, real auto-tune, hard auto-tune, future Travis Scott type sound. 85% is a more natural auto-tune sound, but you still can hear it. It'll give you that Young Thug, Juice WRLD type sound. And anything above that, it's just really not gonna be enough auto-tune. Well, depending on the sound you're going for. But that's just what I learned about the auto-tune. Hey, if y'all liked the video and if y'all found anything useful, make sure to hit that subscribe button, like and comment. Plenty new content soon, man. I'm out.